today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn Figma design into website. We'll keep things simple and use Figma's built-in workflow so you can go from a finished design to a working web page without leaving your browser. Start by opening the Figma website in your browser. Once you're in your workspace, open the page or file that contains the design you want to convert. It helps if your design is neatly organized, clear frame names, proper auto layout where it matters, and images placed at their intended sizes. Because the cleaner your file, the cleaner the output you'll get on the web. With your file open, go to the top of Figma and click Actions to bring up the quick command search. From there, choose Plugins so you can access the plugin directory right inside Figma. This is where we'll find a tool to handle the conversion for us. In the search field, type Figma to website. You'll see a plugin with that name or something very close, designed to translate your frames into web-ready code. Click the plugin in the results, then click Run. If you already have the main frame of your page selected, the plugin will usually pick it up automatically. If not, you can select the frame once the plugin panel opens. Now you're in the place where you can turn your Figma design into a website. Most Figma to website plugins offer a preview panel, export options for HTML and CSS, and sometimes responsive settings. Take a moment to confirm which frame or page section you're exporting. If you see options for image optimization, choose a balance between quality and file size. If there's a fonts section, make sure the plugin knows which web fonts to reference so your text looks the same in the browser. Many plugins also include basic responsiveness. Check breakpoints or scaling modes if they're available, and ensure key sections don't overlap when resized. When you're happy with the preview, use the plugin's Export or Generate button to produce the website output. Some tools let you download a folder with HTML, CSS, and assets. Others provide a link or a code snippet you can copy into your project. The important part is that your visual structure in Figma maps to real, readable HTML with styles that reflect your design. And that's it. Open Figma, open your page, click Actions, click Plugins, search for Figma to website, click it, click Run, and use the plugin panel to generate your website from the design you already built.